everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to declutter another space in my home. It's a small space, 2 baskets, and it's in my bathroom. So just over my toilet I have 2 shelves that have baskets in them. Those are just to house my floor mats and some cleaning cloths. I try to keep it light just because I don't know how much weight those shelves can handle. But it definitely needs to be decluttered. I don't know what's in them. I don't remember what's in them. So just to ensure that nothing's in there that I'm not going to use or that's old, I'm gonna go ahead and declutter. So I'm gonna take you along with me as usual, and let's head into my bathroom for some more decluttering. So I am in my bathroom, and if you've watched previous videos of my decluttering my bathroom, it's like it's a bathroom closet area, but this is where I have my toilet and my shower. So these shelves I put up over my toilet to give myself more storage space because I don't have a lot of cabinet space. So I needed some storage space, some organizational space. There used to be like a corner little shelf here. I feel it was more decorative because it didn't hold much weight and it kept falling. So went to IKEA. I actually had purchased these for my kitchen, but it didn't work out of my kitchen. So my daughter said, put it up here. So she's the one who actually did that for me. And this is just me trying to figure out spacing. So I've had this for a few years. So what I'm going to do is declutter these 2 baskets. I bought some new cleaning cloths. I just want to organize this shelf here, but definitely declutter these 2 baskets. These house like bath mats and some cleaning cloths. I think cleaning cloths is in here, and just some containers for space to use in this space or in my, like where my sink is and stuff. So let's go ahead and declutter the baskets. So I just wanted to show that I got these from Dollarama, and they were $4 each. I went looking in Dollar Tree, but I didn't see anything of this size. So I just went to Dollarama, and that's a fairly good price of $4 each. Okay, so here is the full baskets. It gets sizing, so if you're looking to organize, as well as declutter. So you can see that this is so high up that I don't even know what was really in here. So I'm just gonna pull these out. This is old. This can go where I store my containers that I may use. So I keep a couple of things on hand just in case. And I know I should be moving out of that just in case, but this is good for organization as well. So let's just get this cleaned out. Okay, so I'm gonna throw away these old cleaning cloths, and because I bought a whole set of new ones. This one I'll keep, and then replace it with the new ones that I bought. So I bought these, but they don't really work that well, so I'm just gonna throw them away. And look, they expired not too long ago, but they are expired. This I'm going to put in my laundry room where we keep our light bulbs, and then I'm gonna wipe this out. Okay, so I've quickly just wiped this out. It is now empty. So these I'm gonna wipe and clean up, and then I have a couple of, I have a bin where I keep stuff like this because I'm still decluttering and organizing. I could have use for these in a different area of my house. So I'm not going to throw them out yet. I have 2 of them. So they just need to be cleaned and then put away. This was in here, but I'm going to put this under my sink because I didn't realize I had replacements for my airwick. And I don't keep my airwick plugged in all the time. So, yeah, so this is a good reminder that I do have a replacement, 2 replacements. So I still have room and I still have another basket to go through. So I don't want to make this basket heavy, so I'm not going to put cleaning products. I have cleaning products beside my toilet, and then I can always just go into my laundry room to get any additional cleaning products that I need. I don't want to make this top heavy, so I'm going to see what's in the other basket that I may be able to put here. What should be in there is just floor mats. I did see a towel, but I think I'm going to move the towel to where my other towels are. So let's go see what's in the other basket. Okay, so this is the second basket. And yeah, there's a lot of floor mats, and I don't have a lot of floor, but I do have old carpet, so I think I'm gonna spread some of that on my carpet, like use it by my sink. So I'm taking this towel away and putting it where the other towels are, which is another decluttering spot. This is a bath mat. And another mat and another towel. Now, the thing with these towels are, I think I wanna, yeah, I'm gonna move these towels. They are old, yeah, they look old, but they're sentimental. So we went on a vacation. It was my first time staying in a hotel for 2 weeks in Jamaica, and they these were the towels that they had at the pool, and they allowed us to take to no, we each got one to take home. So the other one that you saw me pulled out was another version of this. It was I didn't use it as much because I wanted to preserve it. This also is sentimental because I used to take this to the gym with me because it was one of the few towels that I had that could actually wrap around me and cover me. So when I started to lose weight, it wasn't fully, but when I started to lose weight, it started to be able to slowly meet. The ends used to slowly meet. So it's kind of also sentimental. So I'm gonna move I think this is why I put it up here, so I would not use it again, so it wouldn't get tattered. So I'm going to put that away. I call it retire. Retire out of circulation. So it is tattered, but it does hold some sentimental value. Here is, I'm gonna put this in, I have a laundry basket, but I now use for my towels because, like I said, storage. I don't really use the linen closet that's out in my hallway. My girls use that, so I'm trying to find a way to house my linen and stuff in here. So my towels were in this like wicker type basket, and we're gonna get to that because I'm gonna have to declutter that. There's a lot of towels that are now deemed old towels. So this is just the liner, and the reason why I took it out is because it kept falling. So I could put it back in because I don't use it as a laundry basket. I just house towels in. So I'm gonna do that and take this out. Okay, do a quick wipe down and then see what I have left to put back in. Okay, quick wipe down. Now, this is also a reminder is that when you're decluttering, don't focus on the cleaning. You can put this as part of a cleaning to do, like when you do what you need to clean, a to-do list or whatever. It could be part of your cleaning routine, but for now we're concentrating on decluttering and not cleaning. So let's go ahead and put some mats back in here. Okay, so this is what I have in so far. These ones I got from Dollar Tree. They were $1.25, and I think they're so cute. They're not extra big, but they do the job. If you have a small space like I do, they do the job. So I'm gonna take these out and put it where my sink is, but for now I just want to see what holds in here because I don't want to keep everything. So let's see what holds, and I put what I would reach for the least amount of times at the bottom. Okay, so the only thing else that fit were these two, and I also have like another gray one that's already been used, and I put like there's another like green one that's in like this, like a towel material, so that's been in use now. And like I said, my where the towel area of my bathroom is literally just in front of the toilet and where the tub is, so not a huge amount of space there where I would need to be using like 2 or 3 at the same time. And I rarely switch out just because it's right by the toilet and it's right by the shower, so they get wet and muggy. So these are all that I'm keeping. I think the black and white ones I'm going to put by my sink, and yeah, that's it. So that is done. I'm going to just put this one back. So there's nothing really else to put in the other basket, but that is okay. It's okay to have space. You don't have to fill it with something. And again, systems change as you use, so I might be able to put something on there that's a little bit heavier, like maybe some wipes or something. I just have to know what is in there so that I will reach for it. So any little like cleaning thing, because I just want to make sure that's my cleaning basket, so I don't feel like anything's going to be contaminated. So but right now this is mats. It's a good amount for what I need it for, so I would not buy anything more unless I have to replace what's here. So it's okay to have an empty basket or a not so full basket. It doesn't always have to be full, but just as long as you're using it, and but just as long as you're using it to organize your space and nothing gets cluttered. Okay, so it's looking a lot better. I feel a lot lighter because I know those are organized and decluttered and only what I need is in there. I just wanted to show you that I did find some use of these bins. I put some of my washcloths in here, and then there, when you have like little samples or those small sizes, they can be housed there. So I did find some use for these bins. So just to remind everybody that don't keep things unnecessarily. I was determined to find a use for this because I knew that I could use them, and also this system might change because I just wanted to make sure this is not heavy. The shelves aren't that I mean, they look sturdy, but I'm still a little bit skeptical. So your baskets don't always, or your bins don't always have to be full of things. Leave room to change out your systems and add more. So see you in the next one, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.